Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dava Dila Barlianto from class 3H Manufacture MSU, and my lecture is Dr. Dianta Mustafa. Today I will explain the thermodynamic. First, the definition of thermodynamic is translated in Yunani language. Thermo means heat and dynamic means change. Thermodynamics is study the explaining how the different can be changed from some form with affect by the temperature. Thermodynamic is the study of energy and the way in which it can be used to improve the lives of people around the world. The efficient use of natural and renewable energy sources is one of the most important issues of the 21st century. We study the concept of force and how it can be made to do useful things. In thermodynamics, we carry out a parallel study of energy and all its technological implications. Simple thermodynamics is a physical science that studies the conversion of heat energy into the other technology. Next, system and surrounding. In the thermodynamic, there are two important terms, namely system and surrounding. The system is the main object of our observation, while the environment is everything that is outside the system. Example of law 1 of thermodynamic is when we heat water in the thermos, the water inside is the system and the fire that comes out of the stove as the environment. So when cooking our water adds heat energy to the water. So in thermodynamic, the heat energy in the water increase. Next, the type of system and surrounding. There is three several system. First, isolated system is no exchange of heat, object, or work occur with environment. An example of an isolated system is an isolated container, such as insulated gas cylinder. Second, closed system, exchange of energy, heat, and work, but not there is an exchange of object with the environment. Third, open system. There is an exchange of energy, heat, and work on object with the environment. Constraint that allow the exchange of object is called permeable. Next, basic law of thermodynamic. First, zeroth law. Zeroth law of the thermodynamic. The initial law states that two systems are in equilibrium with the third system. So the three are in balance with each other. This law was entered after the first law. First law. The same law is also related to the case of conservation of energy. This states that the change in internal energy of a closed thermodynamic system is equal to the total amount of heat energy supplied to the system and the work done on the system. This law can be broken down into several processes, namely processes with isochoric, isothermic, isobaric, and also adiabatic. Next, second law. The second law of thermodynamic is related with entropy. There is no sound for the second law of thermodynamic. That is only a statement of experimental reality issued by Kelvin Planck and Clausius. Clausius' statement, it is impossible for any system to work in such a way that the only result is the transfer energy as heat from a system with a certain temperature to a system with a higher temperature. Kelvin Planck's statement, it is impossible for a system to operate in a thermodynamic cycle and deliver a net amount of work around while receiving thermal energy from single thermal reservoir. Such fundamental of engineering thermodynamic, Morangi, Shapiro. And then the total entropy of an isolated thermodynamic system tend to increase with increase in time, approaching its maximum value. This is called the entropy increase principle. It's a corollary of the two statements above. Second law analysis thermodynamic for processes using the property of entropy. Next, third law. The third law of thermodynamic deals with absolute zero temperature. This law states that when a system reaches absolute zero temperature, all processes will stop and the system entropy will approach its minimum value. This law also states the entropy of the body with a perfect crystal structure at absolute zero temperature is zero. Thermodynamic process. There is for thermodynamic process. First, adiabatic is no exchange energy between system and surrounding. Second, isochoric in constant volume. Third, isothermal, change system process in constant temperature. And fourth, isobaric. Isobaric is change process system in constant pressure. Next. Okay, thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is mistaken with my word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.